Wranglers, here is something fun and delicious that I've been doing while staying at home. Some Mexican food, and I will be making some fried quesadillas today. I will show you what I need. I will be making some Mexican corn dough. I will be using cheese. I have my instrument to make the tortillas and some Mexican salsa, tomatoes and chilies. To begin, I will add some water to the corn flour to make our dough for the tortillas, and I will mix them with my hands. To do the tortilla, I will make round balls from the dough, like this. I will place it in my tortilla maker press, where I will have lined a plastic bag. I will put my round dough ball inside, and I will press it to make the tortilla. I will make one flip, press again, and I will have my tortilla, which I will fill with cheese. And I will close like this. And now I'm gonna start frying my quesadilla. I will have ready some hot oil, and I will start frying them. I'm gonna make the salsa with the roasted tomatoes, a roasted chili, a pinch of salt, and a little bit of oregano. You don't need any water. And now I'm gonna serve it with a little bit of salsa and cream. And it's ready to enjoy. Hopefully you have fun watching this video. See you soon. Bye.